Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, we need to ensure that the Thermomix TM31 is unplugged for safety. Once you've done that, gather the necessary tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. You may also want to have a vacuum cleaner handy to remove any dust that may have accumulated inside the unit. Now, let's start by removing the knob. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the knob. Be cautious not to damage the underlying components. After removing the knob, take a look at the shaft where the knob was attached. If you notice any debris or buildup, this may be causing the knob to stick. Next, clean the area thoroughly with a soft cloth. If there is any stubborn residue, a little warm soapy water can help, but make sure everything is dry before reassembling. Now, let's examine whether the issue is with the internal mechanism. This requires removing the outer casing of the Thermomix TM31. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the base of the machine. Once you have removed the screws, gently lift off the casing. Be careful as there may still be connected wires. Inspect the internal components carefully. Look for any loose connections or obstructions around the knob's mechanism. If you spot anything unusual, it might be worth addressing at this stage. Sometimes, simply reseating a loose connection can resolve the issue. If you find that the internal mechanism is still functioning but the knob won't turn, it could be a sign of a deeper mechanical failure. At this point, if you don't have the tools or expertise, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the problem more accurately. After ensuring everything is clean and securely reassembled, replace the outer casing and reattach the screws. Make sure not to over-tighten them to avoid damaging the plastic. Once everything is back in place, plug in the Thermomix TM31 and test the knob. It should turn smoothly now. If the knob is still not functioning, the issue might require a more extensive repair. If you prefer not to handle it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting the appliance. Just let us know. Remember, there's no need for calls or travel, we make it easy for you. Before any repair, you'll receive a quote so you can make an informed decision about the best way forward. This way, you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.